When you use a cashback credit card to buy something that qualifies, you get a percentage of the price back in cash. For example, a 3% cashback rate means that for every dollar you spend on eligible items, you get 3 cents back. With a cashback card for groceries, someone who spends $4,000 on groceries a year could get up to $120 in cashback rewards. Cashback is basically a discount on purchases that are eligible. You might not see the discount at checkout, but you will when you cash in your rewards. Number 1. Citi Double Cash Card. The Citi Double Cash Card is a practical cashback credit card that makes it easy to earn rewards and practice financial responsibility without the fuss of tracking rotating categories. Its two biggest features are its flat rate rewards, which outclass many other flat rate cards, and a generous intro APR offer on balance transfers. If you're looking for an easy way to earn rewards on your purchases or have debt currently sitting on a high-interest card, the Double Cash Card could be an appealing option. But compared to other rewards cards, it's light on features, and the lack of a sign-up bonus or intro APR offer on purchases could be a letdown for some. The Citi Double Cash does not currently offer a sign-up bonus, a fact that keeps it from being the best flat-rate cashback card on the market. That's because the card's biggest competitor, the Wells Fargo Active Casher card, earns 2% cash rewards on purchases and offers a $200 cash rewards bonus after spending $1,000 in your first 3 months. While a sign-up bonus shouldn't be the only thing you consider when weighing card options, it's important to remember the outsized value these bonuses can offer. After all, earning $200 in cash rewards on a 2% cash rewards card requires $10,000 in spending if it has no sign-up bonus. Number 2. Discover It Secured Credit Card. Earning cash back from your credit card is an easy way to save a little bit of money on your usual spending. But in exchange for a bit more effort than a typical cashback card, the Discover It Cashback packs some of the highest rewards rates on various everyday expenses. You can earn 5% back on up to $1,500 in rotating category purchases each quarter when you activate the bonus category, then 1%, and 1% cash back on all other purchases. Taking the time to activate your categories, track your spending, and adjust your spending habits to the quarterly categories can make this card one of the best for each season's most popular purchases. The rewards earning power could make the Discover It Cashback a frontrunner if you prioritize ongoing value, low rates and fees, and high-quality customer service over fluff features and consistent cashback. But suppose you're not a fan of the extra legwork it takes to maximize rotating categories, quarterly spending limits, or the sparse perks beyond rewards. In that case, another no annual fee credit card might be a better fit for your wallet. Number 3. Amazon Prime Rewards Visa Signature Card. The Amazon Prime Rewards Visa Signature Card is one of the best online shopping credit cards due to its high reward rates on Amazon purchases with no spending caps and Visa Signature benefits. This card is worth it if you spend around $2,800 or more at Amazon and Whole Foods. If used to its full potential, you can easily recoup the cost of your Amazon Prime membership while enjoying other key perks, including surprisingly rich travel and purchase protections. However, the cost of an Amazon Prime membership, being limited to Amazon brands for your best reward tiers and a few missing purchase protections are the biggest drawbacks, but these are minor nitpicks compared to what many other store cards don't offer. You can currently receive an Amazon gift card worth up to $150 just by being approved for the Prime Rewards Visa card, which is equal to the card's highest value promotion we saw in 2021, and a good step up from the previous $100 gift card offer. However, it's important to note that the value of this gift card may vary depending on the page you apply from. The previous $100 promotion wasn't a bad offer by any means, as the bonus gift card was once worth $70, but seeing the much more competitive up to $150 gift card return makes for a much more enticing hook. The $100 value was below the low end of many of the best credit card sign-up bonuses. However, there is no spending requirement for the standard Amazon credit offer. You receive the bonus instantly, and many store cards don't offer a sign-up bonus at all. As far as retail cards go, the bonus is a nice plus since it can cover the annual $100, and $39 cost of Amazon Prime membership for the first year.